mugeni wa ikua wa boshi mundu gwitwo Zack no watiga thande cia barorokete tondu maundu maria akorwo akiaririria ni mamwe ma maria tugukorwo tukirora maria makoretwo makihanika thiini wa kiumia giki na undu wa mbere njuge ni gukoretwo na nditimurano muno gatagate ka munini wa president na thirikari na nditimurano iyo kuria ikorerwo yabatirite muno ni kuria kundu gugwitwo igotini kuria Gachagua abite gukorwo agitengera nigetha agerie kurugamia itua ria bunge ya kibũrũri riria akorirwo akĩhagũrwo endaga bunge ya Senate ndikagie na mweke wa gukorwo makiarĩrĩria ndereti yo no ririkane kuringana na watho wa bũrũri uyu wa Kenya bunge ya Senate niyo ikoragwo na hinya wa gukorwo ikirora kana guthurima kana gucirithia mundu uria urakorwo akĩhagũrwo no athie kuria igotini magotini maregire gukorwo makirugamia Senate gukorwo ikiarĩrĩria kindu gigwitwo kuhagũrwo kwa munini wa president na igikorwo igithie na mbere na hau niho tugukorwo tugithie na mbere uria kwari na mundu gwitwo kana bunge ya kibũrũri ni akorirwo iri na aira yakorirwo igitwara kuria Senate nigetha makorwo magitetera itua ria uria kuhagũra munini wa president no ririkane bunge 282 niyo makorirwo makihagũra munini wa president kuria bunge-ini ya kibũrũri na umwe wa aria makorirwo mari aira a bunge ni mundu gwitwo Mwengi Mutuse na no we uria wakoretwo akiruta kana agitwara ndereti ya kuhagũra munini wa president kuria bunge-ini reke tuigue mamwe ma maria mundu gwitwo Mutuse akorirwo akiuga.
Let me ask you, before you filed this motion of yours, which my colleague Elisha Ongoya calls false, he used some other words.
I can remember them.
You can remember them?
Yes.
You want to, now that you know what you have done, what are they?
No, I can remember Ongoya's words.
What are they? Now that, describe yourself. What was it used?
Go ahead. You can ask him for assistance.
Under the Constitution, does the Deputy President have any power to appoint anybody? Sorry?
Not expressly.
No. If it's by insinuation, tell me where, which law, what law are you talking about?
The President can sign an instrument for him to deputize by way of signing an instrument of appointment.
Sorry?
Maybe the President can delegate some power of appointment.
Are you aware of any power delegated in this government?
I am not.
Is there any you know of?
I am not.
You're not aware of any?
Yes.
Okay.
Please confirm whether the Deputy President in his public address on the 7th confirmed to the Republic that he placed phone calls to you with regard to this tender.
Yes, he did. And in my affidavit, I have as well alluded to the same, that he called me to follow up on the release of the bid board.
Do you ordinarily be able to tell that this conversation has come from this particular platform?
One, this is on
Which platform was this?
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Which number is there? And I want you to specifically look.
The number is already saved. That's why it's written Dr. Ikinu. Because it's already saved on my phone and therefore cannot show the number. If I had not saved the number, you probably would have gotten the number.
When you receive a message from a WhatsApp, when I receive a message on my WhatsApp, when you send me a message, does it indicate the source?
Acio ni aira eri atatu aria makorirwo makirehwo ni bunge ya kibũrũri na okorwo no wakorwo ukiona ni makorirwo magithigina gathigino gaceke no ona magithiginaga mwena wa munini wa president wari na uira wao wagwo ni gukorwo ukirutwo ni mundu gwitwo munini wa president uria wa hindio Rigathi wa Gachagua ari akorwo muira wake no gwikorwo mundu gwitwo muite wakiri wake ni okire na akiruta ndumiriri akiuga thairia makoretwo metereire munini wa president gukorwo akiruta uira ni akorirwo atekuigwa wega reke tuigue mierio ya muite.
First and foremost, by expressing apologies and regrets that the Deputy President is not here, and by not being here, the inconvenience and delay caused to Mheshimiwa Speaker and to honorable senators. The position, Mheshimiwa Speaker, is that during that period that I went to try to find out why he wasn't here. Because as Mheshimiwa Speaker knows, the Deputy President has been coming here absolutely punctually every day. The sad reality is that the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya has been taken sick, very sick, and as I address Mr. Speaker in this honorable House, Senators, he is in hospital, Mheshimiwa Speaker. That is a sad.
Na thutha wa ndereti yo kana ndumiriri yo ya mundu gwitwo Muite, bunge ni akorirwo ikihuruka gwa kahinda kanini, no makiuga ingigakinyia thaa 11 na munini wa president dakorwo akinyite nimeguthi na mbere na ndereti. No muingi no akorirwo kiruta mawoni mao makonainie na gukorwo kwina ndereti yo na munini wa president ni atwikire ndaraigwa wega, na aria makoretwo makirumirira ndereti yo aingi ni maiguire makirarakwo ni uhoro ucio. Reke tuigue mamwe ma mawoni ma aikari a Kenya.
Gachagua agitwira njamba rino murenda tuthure tukimura turenda no no riu agikone twikite ni gutugaruruka ri turenda kuga ati turaikaria na Ivasha. Gachagua inuka rutoro nawe winuka na guku Cigoi tondu tutirenda okoro Gachagua witu ni akuinuka onawe uthie Cigoi no okoro hatire thayo bururi-ini. Gachagua inuka tutire na thayo na ithuothe
na no wega tuge ati ihinda riri andu aya mathurirwo mena ihinda ria miaka 5 reke maheo ihinda ria marute wira na nigetha twarikia tamu ya Amerika wino 5 Ruto ni agathura mundu ungi uri akenda. No for now Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua ndabatie kuhutithio na
okire akihoya kura ni akuaga Biblia na akaingira kanitha-ini ri na nginya umuthe no athiaga kanitha-ini ri agitawo haneri-ini ki.
Gachagua akona makosa mingi sana. Hao watu wote niseme hao nini wenye wako kwa serikali wote wako na makosa. Sasa tukianza kuweka hizo makosa moja moja zitakuwa mingi sana. Sasa mimi naona heri Gachagua baki tu na wamalizane na hii term. Next aone vile anafanya.
Impeachment kwangu na watu wa Bomet wengine sisi tumekataa. Lakini ile kitu tunajua ni ile kazi ulikuwa umetuambia tutakuja kutengeneza. Ulikuwa umesema tutatenga. Na hiyo pesa umetenga, tunangoja kazi iendelee.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, jitagwo Iku.
Na tugethie na mbere iyo yuma report ya mundu gwitwo Ikua wa Boci uria umaha, no njuge ati itua thutha wa aikari aya gukorwo makiruta mawoni andu megwitwo Senate kana senators ni makorirwo makiuga mathie na mbere, no twarora mundu gwitwo speaker wa Senate ni akorirwo akihe aikari kana akihe maseneta mweke wa gukorwo magikia kura, na thutha wa guikia kura tukimenya kana omundu wothe nioi munini wa president ni akorirwo akihagurwo. No ahagurwo gwenda tukorwo tugithikiriria uririkane haria twanjiririe me magoti-ini, no ndenda tukorwo tugithikiriria mwario wa munini wa mucirithania munene wa bururi uyu uria akorirwo akiuga uhoro ukonainie na mweke wa munini wa president gukorwo agitetia matua ma Senate.
And the impeachment process that is ongoing regarding our deputy president is not unique. It's an application of the Constitution. It's not something that has been plugged from the air. It has a constitutional process to follow. And therefore, to that extent, it is a constitutional process. If it comes back to the courts, it's been in the courts, you know, the number of 20 whatever applications and cases. If it comes to court after Senate, whatever it is that happens, we don't know. We cannot anticipate the outcome of the Senate process. If it comes here, it's a case like the next case. It will be handled by we who sit in the judiciary in the manner the Constitution has authorized us to do, in the manner the law has authorized us to do. We can't go outside.
Na kuma miario yo ginyagia kahinda-ini gaka mundu gwitwo munini wa president ni akoretwo agithie igoti-ini na akahota kurugamia kwihitithio kwa mundu ungi o wothe, na kahinda-ini o kau nayo bunge ya kibururi ni koretwo ikihota kuhetukia mundu gwitwo Professor Kithure Kindiki kana Abraham, na makauga ucio niwe marenda akorwo ari munini wa president, na kuma hau ni akoretwo kana ritwa riake ni rikoretwo rikiandikithio rigicabithio gatheti-ini ya thirikari. na koguo kahinda-inĩ gaka andũ metereire kuona kana rũcio nĩ agakorwo akĩhĩtithio toria gũgũtanyĩtwo kana igoti kana uge wa igoti ni gukorwo ukirumirirwo na tukirikireria ndenda tukorwo tukirora thimo haha thimo ya kiumia giki ikiuga ati ikurundwo ndiregaga ruoro wicuranie na weyurie uria thimo ino irauga no irauga ona angikorwo ndegwa kana nyamo yari na hinya muno yarundwo no nginya itikire uria mumirundi arauga ndenda tukorwo tugithie tuigue mawoni ma a Kenya uria marakorwo magitwira thiini wa kiumia giki mwena-ini uyu wa thande ndarora mundu gwitwo Peter Shao akauga ati arora nita we ni arate mwihoko no akauga egweterera mwaka wa 2027 akorwo akĩingata andu amwe ari arenda gukorwo akĩingata Njuguna Kamende nake akauga ati mundu uria areyuria kana uria urakorwo kĩingatwo ni mundu wa Siaya kana no wa gitaro giki gia gatagati mundu gwitwo Ramsey nake akauga andu akirima turarora nako na kwina andu aingi hena mundu retwo John Kimanie kuria Muchatha agatwira onake ni ararumirira Lois Nyaguthie Enyiri Joy Wanjiku Enyiri Jaribeba onake Enyiri andu aingi umuthe ni Enyiri mundu gwitwo Benja Kanjira ena andu nduthi haria Karatina na akauga o manyitereire ati munini wa president danekwo gitio nake mundu wa muthia haha nguko ngithoma egwitwo Kamanja akanjira ekuria mwena wa Chaka ngurithikania ati mundu wa fata mundu murathime mundu wa goro mundu huana wega akoragwo ahuana tawe na nie ndauma haha mugukorwo mwitigwo na Simon Kibe tafarira-ini ya wathire ko nie njitagwo Martin Munene twina mundu ugwitwo Joki Shege niwe urataura na njira ya cieko na turaterefwo wega ni mundu gwitwo Regina bica ici ni cia Jemu na hena mundu ungi wikuria guo uratuthakira bica ici witagwo D ugie no tukumwega.